Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we have the new release Yu-Gi-Oh! Ghost from the Past 2 Second Haunting. We are going to open up this display case which has, well, is it 4 or 5? 5, I think. Great. 5 boxes. This set came out a couple days ago, but we're just opening up our first one now. I know we don't do a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh, but this, when you have some pretty amazing classic cards and re-release, we like to buy some stuff. So this is the display box. Let's open that up. Yes, it is 5. Where it should go in there. There we go. Beautiful. Alrighty. Open up our first box. There should be 4 packs in here, I believe. Lots of Ghost Raiders. I believe there are 9 in this one. I think there was 4 in the previous one. Oh, okay, they're just in there. Okay, wonderful. Cyber Dragon artwork. Dark Magician Girl. And Blue Eyes. I can't remember that one now. What's... Yeah, whatever. Okay. You wanna start us off, Michelle?
Sure. Let's try and get something nice.
Ideally, I want the Blue Eyes White Dragon or the Dark Magician Girl. I'd be happy with just about anything, I think.
Okay. So Fossil Machine Skull Buggy. Proxy Horse. Oliver the Jester of Despia. Rare Fish. Plunder Patrol Ship.
Okay. Double Warrior. Geomathematic. Time Theme Temporal Well. Whatever that is. Hell yeah. Alrighty. Next one.
Come on, Magician Girl.
Come on, Ghost.
The Sanctuary in the Sky. 9 Pillars of Yang Sing. The Sacred Waters in the Sky. Tenyi Spirit, Atara, and Vision Hero multiplied by.
Okay. I'm gonna stop saying some of these names. Borderland Dragon.
They're hard to
Plunder
say.
Patrol. Okay. Oh. Alright, next box. We'll just go like that. Bloop. And bloop.
Alright, this one. Vampire Kingdom. Advanced Ritual Art. Oliver the Jester of Despia. Doom King, Balbert Roach, and something very long name.
I think the Ghost Ray actually would be the 3rd card. I think that's how they did it. So.
I can't even read that even though I'm charming or whatever.
Mathmac, Tenya Spirit, Elemental Hero, Neos Kluger, okay. Ooh, Zombie World, Pendulum Area. Ooh.
Magician, Dark Magician Girl. How many boxes do you need to open to get all?
To get one? I don't know.
Ghost Trick.
Don't know what the ratios are for this one.
Quintet Magician, Sky Cavalry, Century, Tiny Spirit Adhara, and another long one.
Okay. Vision Hero, Minimum Ray, Protector of the Ancient, Destiny and Tragedy, Vision Hero Vaughn. Okay. Next box, 2 down, 3 to go. I feel like, should we just open all these boxes?
Sure.
Gotta make sure because this.
We got bored.
Yeah. First couple box, one was sticking in there. Make sure we get them all.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this. Rookie Warrior Lady. Oh, okay. Yep. It's too long. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. And the Agent of Mystery. And Victorica, Angel of Bravery.
DD Savant, Fossil Machine Skull Buggy, Necroworld Banshee, Zector Hornet, Codex Order.
This one. Hello. Magician Girl, come on. 9 Pillars of Yang Zing. Sandwich. Vision Hero Increase. Fossil Fusion. Didi Lamia. Lamia?
Geomagnath, DD Swirl Slime, number 97, Zector Sword, Rose Spectre of Dawn.
Magician Girl. The Agent of Force. Despia, Theater of the Branded. Ta-da! Nothing. The Sacred Waters of the Sea. The Chorus of the Sky. And Primal Dragon.
Boyd Cauldron, Alien, Outburst Dragon, Vampire Sucker, Tenya Spirit. Oh
goodness.
No ghost.
Ghost.
Ghost. Where's the ghost?
The Agent of Judgment. The Executor of the Underworld. Ta-da! Oh, hello. Mystical Sand. And I can't read it. And Ghost Trick Lantern.
Heavenly Dragon Circle, Ghost Trick,
Kaboom.
DD Destiny King Zero, the Agent of Entropy, Motor Shell. Wow, down to the last box.
Ta-da! Prime. Yep. I can't say that one. That it's too long. That one too. D Destiny King 0. That one's too long. Fossil Machine.
Okay, Samsara Dragon, Code Generator, Fossil Machine, Skull Coin, Dot Scraper, and Necro Slime.
So this is the last Dark Magician Girl. Ghost Trick Spectre. Vampire Kingdom. Ta-da! The Agent of Life, Neptune. And Yazi, Evil of the Yangtze.
Okay, last pack. Could this be it?
Come on.
Alright. God of Archery, Tenya Spirit. Vice King Requiem. Number 60. Vampire Takeover. Oh, bummer. No ghost. Alright, but that was fun. We'll have another box opening of this because we do want to pull one. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.